Today I'm making another video on the Slyde King. I put it in my car glove box, and when I got it out, it was pretty loose, fell apart, and I basically want to take a look at that since I haven't made a video on that. But that's what the inside looks like. Just this piece just sits pretty much on the edge on here. If I can just get it to go straight down, that's pretty much it right there. But let's see if I can get a close-up of the internals. So there's like a little ring holding everything in, because on the other side there's nothing there, so it has to come out of here, but you can't move that. So, I mean, I don't know if it's pressed in or what, but kind of looks like it is. So you have some threads here, and before I would take it out and it would stop, but now it just completely comes off. So I wanted to get a video of me putting it back together, or trying to. Let's see how that works. So just gonna go ahead and do that. So basically, I believe this is the stop right here for it. I thought it was, but who knows. Yep, that's it right there. So this came off then in the car, and that's why it just completely came off. So basically, I was right. You gotta put that on first, and then this one's the tricky one because it keeps moving. So let me see if I can put that on there, and so I gotta find something to turn this, because there we go. Apparently this is what holds everything, and it came off. And there it is. So now it stops. So that's how you fix that. However, let me see if I can find it. I want to put some Loctite on it so it doesn't happen again. So let me see if I can undo it. There we go. So it's not too bad, except for the actual LED. That's the one that kind of throws things off, because it tends to move because of the wires. If you don't put it in done right, it's not gonna sit the way it's supposed to. So I'll go ahead and try this. That will do. This is going to be very hard to take off later on if you do have that, but I won't tighten it too much. I just don't want it to come loose again. So as you can see, I'm using the scriber to kind of get it on there, and my finger on the other side until it can get it to sit flush. And of course now it doesn't want to. I think I got it. Come on. And of course this is the video you're never planning to make, but something always comes up. Those wires, come on. Okay, I think I got it. I'm just going to touch it. I don't want to overdo it. But it's on. So that's good. Put the battery in there. I'll just take this off because I want to look in there and see if anything would fall out. So it's working again. And the part that I was concerned about was this part. See, now it stops. This stops it. And because it had come off, it was just popping right out. So we're gonna do the next one. I believe it's this one here, the lens, and then this one screws onto this one. Oh, okay. Forgot one thing again. If you don't want it to fall off, you can put a little dab of this blue Loctite, because I don't want that falling out on me again. Perfect. Stops. So it works, and now you know how to put yours back together if it falls apart. So far so good. Perfect. So there's your front Slyde King put back together. So it just happened to fall apart on me. So there you go. Hope that helps.